Let's say I have some jewelry which I'm saving for special occasion.
Potential in-laws.
Oh
देखने आ रहे
God,
हैं. आपको मिलने आ रहे हैं first time.
I'm not ready for that conversation.
You have tattoos here.
In-laws में problem हो सकती है. Maybe because of the tattoo. I'm not sure if I really want to have an Indian wedding. The sweet spot right now would be Abhishek Sharma, I guess.
She was a fairy. आप कैंस जा रहे हो फर्स्ट टाइम, आप अपनी पूरी फैमिली को रिप्रेजेंट कर रहे हो.
मैं इतनी religious हूँ नहीं personally. I don't like to wear comfy clothes. Recent favorite thing for like abayas.
I want to ask you something that actually matters to all the girls.
Like to be honest, like I'm still figuring it out.
Sorry. Oh my
Good, how are
God.
you? Hi. Okay.
Wow. Oh my God. Wait, आप ये क्या कर रहे हो? हमें आज ये नहीं करना है.
फिर क्या?
From the top. Okay, start. Hi everyone, welcome to Pink Villa Lifestyle Plus. I'm your host Tanisha and I am back with another episode of Pink Villa Cart where we take your favorite celebrities out for shopping, try to rate their style choices and then also try to spill some tea along the way. Today I have someone very special with me who is very unapologetically herself, has inspired so many people. Welcome Anaya. Hi Anaya, how are you doing today?
I'm good. Thank you for having me.
We're actually thrilled to have you here. So today, Anaya, I don't want to ask you questions that everybody has already asked you. We have heard so much about you in bits and pieces here and there.
Yeah.
I want to ask you something that actually matters to all the girls and everyone, when you started embracing yourself and you found your own, identity. How did you find your own personal style?
To be honest, it's been a journey. Like जैसे आप start करते हो to transition and all, you figure out कि what looks good, what doesn't look good. Like आपके silhouettes पे क्या काम करता है. So मैं like to be honest, like I'm still figuring it out. But I've been loving like everything with Indian fashion recently.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
So you're connected to our roots.
Yeah, you could say that, yes.
That's amazing. I love that. Do you work with a stylist? Do you have a stylist who styles you for everything? Or do you just eyeball it and अपने आप से figure out कर लेते हो सब?
I think फिलहाल तो अपने आप से ही कर रही हूँ figure
Oh,
out.
wow.
But yeah, I do want a stylist soon, so
Yeah.
definitely, yeah.
You could work with me. So today's destination is of a very, very famous Indian designer and it is the perfect spot to test Anaya's style. Like we'll be testing her fashion preferences. Are you ready for it?
Let's do it.
Welcome to Rohit Varma's glamorous Indian couture store. It's a flagship store in Juhu. You've been here before?
It's my first time here actually.
Yeah,
I love
same.
the collection.
I'm not even kidding. I was so excited before entering. So, Anaya, I am going to give you 4 situations जिसके बेसिस पे आपको 4 आउटफिट्स डिसाइड करनी है. एक्चुअली 4 भी नहीं, 5 आउटफिट्स डिसाइड करनी है. 4 सिचुएशंस होंगे आपके. बट एट द सेम टाइम मुझे पहले आउटफिट्स के पहले आपसे एक क्वेश्चन पूछना है फैशन रिलेटेड. हाउ वुड यू डिस्क्राइब योर स्टाइल इन 3 words? Just 3 words.
Like for my current style, I would say it's minimal with like high fashion, थोड़ा sense of high fashion with, I would say, a sense of royalty along with it. I like the mix of 3, I would say as of now.
That is actually a very smart answer. Anaya, I would want to ask you, what was your inspo behind this look? Did you have a vision in mind before leaving your house?
To be honest, like I just wanted to pair up. Like I love brown a lot. I love wearing it. I love how it looks on my skin tone as well.
Yeah.
I had this top which is like a brown and like a beige.
I
sort
love
of
the
thing.
cowl neck situation and also
Yeah.
the fact that, your tattoos look really nice, like the way they're peeking through.
Well, yeah, tattoos.
It actually looks
yes.
stunning. Great choice. I love your
Thank you,
outfit.
thanks.
So, are you ready and excited to start?
Yes, let's do it.
Let's go. Okay, your first situation is imagine आप कैंस जा रहे हो फर्स्ट टाइम, आप इंडिया को रिप्रेजेंट कर रहे हो, अपने आप को रिप्रेजेंट कर रहे हो, आप अपनी पूरी फैमिली को रिप्रेजेंट कर रहे हो. What would be the perfect outfit for it?
I think if it's my first time at Cannes and I'm representing India, I would want to stick to my roots.
Yeah.
But like I want some maximalism. Like I'm feeling a bit maximalist.
A little extra,
Yeah,
a little
extra.
blingy, you know,
I wanna
like
go over
desi
the top.
baddie.
Yes,
You want to be a desi baddie. Okay. So, do you want to go through options here? We also have that side. So, let's start from here.
Yeah, sure. Let's do it.
मैं क्या टाइमर सेट कर दूं आपके लिए कि वो टास्क हो जाएगा?
ये अभी रियलिटी शो के टास्क में घुसे हो इसमें. बहुत कर चुकी हूँ.
आपको तो हैबिट होगी परफॉर्म करना अंडर प्रेशर.
हाँ वो तो है बट फैशन के मामले में मैं अभी भी अंडर प्रेशर हूँ.
But you have great choices, so I'm sure it's not going to be an issue
Yeah.
for you.
Oh, I really love this.
Wow,
What do you
that's
think?
actually beautiful. That's a very beautiful piece. I love the embroidery and all on it. Is it
Yeah.
handwork?
Oh yeah, it does look like that and it's so well made. Wow. I think I would wear this. Oh, I also like this color.
Yeah, that's a
But-
very beautiful color.
But I
What
don't
is
know.
it? Rust?
It's got different shades on it, but I like both of them. What would you choose for me? I think
I think you should
As
go
you-
for rust because that's really gonna bring out your complexion.
this one.
Yeah.
Well, you're my new stylist now, so you have to tell me. But yeah, like this looks great. Oh my god,
I'll help you with.
how's this so
It's
heavy?
very heavy.
Oh god,
How do these brides do it?
it's actually very heavy. दोनों ट्राई करते का. Got it.
Yeah.
Wow.
This is the outfit that Anaya has picked out for her Cannes debut. Wow, and I think you would look stunning in it. Do you want to try it on?
I don't think I'll be. मैं गिर जाऊंगी इसमें, but
Same.
I think I'll need more training for this. But yeah, I really like this outfit. So this is the Cannes look. you
Yeah,
could say.
this is the Cannes look.
Yes.
Wow, stunning choice, I would say.
Wow.
I think we should just keep it back. It's too heavy.
It is. It is.
कंधे पे उठा ले क्या?
Oh god.
Sorry.
How do these people do it?
I have no idea.
Wow.
Like really, shout out to all the brides, all the Indian brides.
I think इसका weight रहेगा around 30 kgs, 20
I
kgs.
am sure.
Easily.
Your next task is you have to pick an outfit for a Ganesh Chaturthi puja, but this puja is at Gauri Khan's place.
Oh my god.
So we'll have all the Bollywood wives there, and you know that their fashion game is like over the top.
Yeah.
They're all always super dressed up. Like their fashion game is on point. So what would you wear to Gauri Khan's Ganesh Chaturthi puja?
Well, since it's a puja and all the Bollywood celebs and housewives are going to be there, I would actually want to keep it minimal yet like want to have some elements to it.
Yeah.
Maybe like a kaftan or something.
Yeah. Do you want to
I
look
love
around?
kaftans though. I've built like this recent favorite thing for like abayas and kaftans.
I am sure you would also be able to pull it off really well.
Yeah, let's see it. Let's
Yeah.
see. Come.
Do you want to check them out?
Yeah.
Are you into prints or are you into like solid colors?
I think more of solid colors.
Yeah.
But I'm loving what this store has to offer with this collection. Like
That is
I-
actually
I'm building
very
a
true.
new likeness to maximalism and the
Yeah.
prints and like just all
So
these.
are you
different
also
elements.
into like, you know, accessorizing your fits with jewelry and like with a lot of things here and there, or
Yes, I am, but I don't like to go over the top.
Yeah.
I like to keep it very minimal and like my presence or like
yeah.
just my energy do the talking rather
Yeah.
than.
And I'm sure that you
yeah.
do a great job at that already. See, do you want to go through suits and kaftans?
I like this color, but I want a kaftan in this. That
Yeah.
would look great. let's see another options as well.
We should tell Rohit sir to make a kaftan in pink for you.
Yes, I would love that. Oh, I really like this one.
Oh wow, I
What do you
really
think?
like the work on that. I love it. And even the back, it's so unique and so special. Like there's a surprise element at the back, I feel.
Yeah.
Don't you think that, you know, when you enter, when you make your entrance in this, everyone's going to be like, oh, who is that? And then there's a party at the back.
Definitely. I would actually want to try this on.
Yeah, this is stunning. So this is something you would wear to Gauri Khan's Ganesh Chaturthi Puja.
Yeah. Because it's light as well, yeah. I can't with that late. Not at
अब
all.
इसी में आपके पास एक और सिचुएशन है. गौरी खान्स पूजा तो इज ओके, बट अगर आपको अंधेरी चा राजा में आरती करने जानी है, तब आप क्या आउटफिट पहन के जाओगे?
तभी तो I think it should be very
this
casual.
wouldn't do. This wouldn't do.
Why not?
I mean, yeah, of course.
Why
You know,
not if
like,
you
you
want
know,
to?
in those Indian TV serials, you see कोई जा रहा है पूजा करने, आरती करने, they're wearing like really over the top outfits with like full jewelry and everything.
But I
Why
could be
not?
that person maybe.
Yeah, definitely.
But let's see some simpler options as well.
yeah, just in case.
Yeah, just in case.
I also wanted to ask you, Anaya, जब आप बाहर जाते हो mostly, like let's say आप अपने friends के साथ hang out करने जा रहे हो or you're stepping out, do you always dress up very over the top or do you like, you know, like to go comfortably बिना कुछ ज़्यादा effort डाले? Like what's your go-to?
Like I always like to put myself together and like have a proper outfit whenever
Yeah.
I'm always stepping out. Like I don't like to wear comfy clothes. Like I want something which is basically like dressed up and which stands out at the same time as well. Like
Yeah.
see, my whole journey in life isn't about fitting in. So I don't like to fit in my fashion choices either. So
So you always like to stand out and be a little over the top, be very put together when
I
you
would
show
say I
up.
would like to be myself rather than to stick to that.
That is an amazing answer. You like to be yourself because
Yeah.
you yourself, I'm sure, are very over the top, aren't you?
Well, some could say that. For some people, it's like I'm just living a normal life. But
Yeah.
it depends. It's
Yeah.
very subjective.
What's your zodiac? Wait, I have to ask you.
What do you think?
Wait, let me guess. Are you a Scorpio by any chance?
No, I'm a Capricorn.
Oh, you're an earth sign. That's crazy. I think that's why I can also tell by your choices that, you know, क्योंकि बहुत लोग अपने zodiacs के according भी kind of dress up होते हैं. बहुत लोग होते हैं, उनकी choices naturally, you know, वो चीज़ें pick out करती है जैसा उनका zodiac. Mostly लोग बहुत similar एक zodiac के तैयार होते हैं. Sorry, pick your outfit.
Oh, I like this one.
Yeah, that's a very pretty suit. Wow.
I really like what's happening, like this
Yeah,
embroidery.
and even the sleeve.
Yes.
If you
oh
check
wow,
out the
I just
sleeves,
noticed that. Chariot.
The color, it's really like, you know, making it thoda stand out. Wait,
Yeah, I've
I'll say
never
that.
tried this color before.
I love it. What color is this exactly? Is it ivory? Shades of ivory?
Yeah, like somewhere along that.
हमें color card लेके खून बैठना चाहिए. Okay, this is something that you would wear
But
to.
this would look great on you as well.
Surely.
Yes. For
Let's
you.
say if you're invited to Gauri Khan's party and you get a +1, आप मुझे लेके जाओगे?
Definitely क्यों
तो
नहीं?
फिर मैं ये पहन के चल लूँगी.
आप गौरी खान के लिए तो आप you need to go over the top.
Yeah, I would love to.
That would look great.
And then we'll walk in like this together. We'll be like. Your third task is, let's say you are a showstopper for Rohit
wow.
Verma's fashion show. So you have to think like him. He's a fashion designer. What outfit would he make you wear if you were the showstopper?
I actually saw this one outfit पीछे.
Yeah, you have your eyes on something already. Oh my god, I know
love
which
this
one you're gonna
this
pick.
one.
Yeah, that is so you. It screams you.
Yeah, like I love whatever's happening right here along
Yeah.
with the stitch.
The whole structure is insane. How has he built it?
Yeah, it's like I couldn't think of this. I wouldn't think of this
Yeah.
until I actually saw it, and I'm in love with this.
No, I feel this would actually look great on you. And also the part that you have tattoos here. You know, that would just be cherry on top for this. So this is something you would wear as Rohit Verma's showstopper. Now, your last task, and this one is a little personal. Every girl, when they're growing up, right, they all envision their outfit कि किसमें मेरी शादी होगी, मैं क्या पहनूंगी अपनी शादी पे, like that. But today I have a very different task for you. कल को आपको आपके घर में कोई आपके in-laws, potential in-laws देखने आ रहे हैं, आपको मिलने आ रहे हैं first time, तब आप क्या पहनोगे?
Wow, like ये scenario तो, oh my god, I'm not ready for that conversation. But just cause you're asking, let's see around. Let's see
Yeah.
what feels right. What do you think of this?
Nice.
Is this meeting your future husband type of kind of thing or no?
I mean, husband, yes. In-laws,
In-laws the problem हो सकती है. Maybe because of the tattoo.
yeah, maybe because of the tattoo. But corporate job थोड़ी है कि tattoo छुपाएंगे.
You never know with in-laws these days.
Yeah. Wouldn't you wanna show up in a sari?
Yeah, but I was looking for lehengas, to be honest.
Yeah, lehenga first meet.
We have lehengas here.
Yeah, we have a lot of lehengas
Or
here.
something very simple as well, like kurtis or set.
Yeah, I think something first impression थोड़ा सा, you know, बिल्कुल like ऐसे डरा संभला होना चाहिए. I don't know.
बिल्कुल नहीं. But I think sari is a good choice.
Yeah,
right?
sari is a great
Where are the
choice.
saris?
Let's look for them.
Come.
Did you find anything?
Still looking.
मैं होती तो काला पहनती.
But is black something that you're supposed to wear? ऐसा कुछ है क्या?
पूजा थोड़ी है. देखने आ रहे हैं बस घर पे.
अच्छा. हाँ, that is.
काला तो पहन
See,
सकते हैं.
I don't know. मैं इतनी religious हूँ नहीं personally.
हाँ, no.
But
Are you
anyways.
a spiritual person though?
हाँ, I'm more of a spiritual person.
Yeah.
It's more of about karma and energies.
Wait, do you mind me asking
Yeah.
if you're Gen Z or millennial?
I'm Gen Z.
Oh, sis.
Clock it.
Clock it.
But okay, I've changed my mind.
You have already.
No saris.
Weren't you gonna go?
Saris are too, I would say, yeah, cliche. That was the word, right?
Don't you think in a sari you would want to be like, you know, full YRF heroine and like going in front and like, okay, samosa, you know, chai, samosa, like that.
What cliche हो जाएगा?
हाँ, खैर ये तो है. What do you have in mind? Go on.
I really love this. I love this.
Oh wow, I love the color.
I
That
think
is
green
cute.
also would look great with me.
I
And I
love
love this.
इसको देख के तो in-laws definitely
Wow.
impress हो जाएंगे.
Is this a goddess or
Yeah.
some looks so divine? I love this.
Yeah, I think this would be the perfect outfit actually.
I like this.
Okay, Anaya, I really want to know now that you've picked out these looks, which outfit are you excited to try the most?
This one, the kaftan.
Yeah,
As
that
I
looks-
said, like the kaftan is my go-to recently. I'm loving wearing those.
like you're naturally drawn towards kaftan.
yeah,
I can
that
tell.
is true. But
Okay, okay, we're ready to see you. Here's the trial room. Okay, I'll close my eyes for this. Wow! Oh my god!
How do you feel? What do
I
you think?
love it. That looks stunning.
I just give a sword.
I love it. I love it. Oh my god.
Okay, I love this, but only one change I would do. Like I would
Yeah.
get my waist like
Cinched
snatched,
like that.
cinched,
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. I feel
think
that
I
will
love
be a
it
great display.
even better with this.
Yeah. I think this is such a perfect look for the same. Oh my god. The back also looks really nice. Yeah.
Also feels like I have wings.
Yeah.
Yeah.
She was a fairy.
But I love it. I love it.
मैं गौरी खान बनके थोड़ा, you know, let me greet you. Okay. Oh my God, Anaya, it is so nice to see you. You
How
look
are you?
stunning. I'm good. How are you?
I'm great.
Who are you wearing, Baba?
Rohit Verma.
Oh my God, Rohit Verma. He looks stunning on you. His designs. Love it. That was too good. Okay, Anaya, I have a very fun segment packed for you. We're going to do a quick rapid fire round where I'm just going to shoot some quick questions at you. But before we start with that, I want to first ask you which outfit amongst the few fits that you selected would you definitely add to your Pink Villa cart?
Well, I would say two.
Yeah, you can choose two.
The Cannes one, the gold one.
Yeah,
This and the kaftan. Kaftan's a favorite.
yeah.
Like
You are
always.
obsessed with kaftans by
I
now.
am,
We
I
can
am.
tell she's obsessed with kaftans. Do you want me to start with the rapid fire now? Are you ready?
Let's do it.
Okay. Are you into heels or sneakers?
Heels.
Heels, yeah.
Yes.
You're a heel girly like that. Okay. Are you into gold jewelry or silver jewelry?
Silver jewelry.
Would you rather have a closet full of shoes or handbags?
Handbags.
Yeah.
Shoes,
I get it.
Like they get spoiled over time.
Yeah. But
Handbags you can maintain.
handbags are also something that you could keep in your closet, preserve for your, future generations, whatever, whoever you want to give them
It
later
can
on.
be a great investment as
Yeah,
well.
definitely, like archival pieces.
Exactly.
Which celebrity's wardrobe would you steal for a day?
Oh, that's a good question.
Yeah.
Well, I would say any celebrity who has Rick Owens in
Yeah.
them. Like I love Rick Owens. Yeah.
Yeah. What is the most expensive thing that you've bought but never used? And it's just lying there in your cupboard.
I would say I have some jewelry which I'm saving for a special occasion.
Yeah.
Maybe. Yeah. I would say that. Yeah.
Is it like designer jewelry or is it just like, statement pieces that you've just
I've
found
got
somewhere?
custom made actually.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, like they're very special. One day I'm gonna reveal it for sure.
Wow.
Yes.
I love that. Which cricketer has the most amazing off-field style?
Amazing off-field style. Like I would say it's too mainstream if I pick Virat,
Yeah.
and too edgy if I pick Hardik. But I think the sweet spot right now would be Abhishek Sharma, I guess.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You like his style?
Yeah.
What is your biggest fashion ick?
Biggest fashion Crocs.
Yeah.
Yes. Like unless you're working in a hospital or in a kitchen, I don't want to see you wear them. No.
Oh my God. Yeah, that makes sense. Okay, so I have the perfect question for you. Let's imagine a scenario. You're out on a date, and if your date shows up wearing Crocs, are you staying and judging them
Rejected.
quietly?
No.
Rejected. Will you just
Bye.
get up and walk away?
Of course not. I mean, that person has spent time, but clearly not good enough time to think about his outfit.
Yeah. What would you rather do? Would you rather just be there and act cold and uninterested?
So I would be like, do you really want to wear Crocs on your first date?
Like you'll just straight up call them out.
Not on the very first line, maybe eventually, as we're
थोड़ी देर बाद कंफी करा के
हाँ.
बंदे को फिर बोल दिया कि क्रॉक्स ही पहन के आ सकते थे, बेटर जूते नहीं मिले. Like, love that.
yeah.
What is that one compliment that you love hearing when you step out?
I think it's more of about how my presence makes them feel rather than how I'm looking. So it's more of about that. Like
That makes sense.
I don't know like how to say ki, like okay you're
I
looking
love your vibe.
to put it simply.
I love your aura,
Yeah,
like that. Like
more
when
of
you
like that.
walk into a room, you want people to love your energy and aura, not love you for how you're looking, maybe.
Yes, exactly.
That's a great answer. Okay, complete this sentence. Fashion to me is,
Expression, self-expression. Yeah.
would you rather choose a Nets practice day or a shopping day?
Oh, that's a tough one.
Yeah.
Well, as of now, I would say the shopping day.
Yeah. You've done too much of Nets already.
Yeah,
I
too
feel.
much of nets have already been done, but yeah, shopping day would seem nice.
Who do you enjoy shopping with the most?
To be honest, my taste and everything is quite different. So I would say just by myself.
Yeah.
Unless I find someone who has similar tastes as me, yeah,
Yeah.
I'll be like very excited for it. But
Yeah, that makes sense. If you were supposed to change your hair color again,
Oh wow.
what would you change it to?
I think maroon and like brown is good enough for me.
Yeah.
Like nothing too extreme. Like I मुझे ज़्यादा different करना पसंद नहीं. But this was like a major change.
But this actually looks really good on you because it brings out your complexion as well, I feel.
Yeah, I think so, and I'm loving this.
Yeah,
I'm
and I
actually
love
getting it
this on
touched up
you.
right after this. So.
Same. Even I am planning to do the
Wow.
same. I'm not even
Are we going to the same place then or not?
I do mine myself.
Okay.
Yeah.
Maybe I can join you then.
Yeah, I'll do it for you next time.
We'll do it for each other. Let's do this.
What color lehenga, if you were meaning to wear a lehenga on your wedding, what color lehenga would you wear on your wedding?
I would say my lehenga would be a mix of Western culture with a little bit of grunge vibe to it, but
Oh.
make it royal at the same time. And I want it in white.
I love that.
Yeah.
In white. That's crazy. That's very unique actually. Not a lot of brides go for white, no? Or do they?
Well, not Indian brides.
Yeah, Indian brides
But
don't
again,
go for
I'm
white.
not sure if I really want to have an Indian wedding, you could say.
Yeah, that makes sense. That makes sense. Or maybe you could you could just have multiple weddings.
Why not?
Yeah.
Let's do it.
एक ही से कि अलग-अलग.
I'm monogamous, but
Yeah.
To each their own. Like
Yeah,
I would
yeah.
say.
I mean, obviously, आजकल तो
I mean,
whatever floats whoever's boat, you know.
do whatever makes you
Yeah,
happy.
whatever makes
as
you
long as you're
happy.
not hiding anything.
Yeah, and as long as you're happy and not depressed.
But yeah,
Yeah, that was a fun rapid fire round. I loved it. Thank you so much for joining us, Anaya. We're so happy to have you.
it was lovely doing this. Thank you so
Thank
much.
you.
Thank you.